everyone. The Canadian wildfire smoke returned across the area on Sunday, leading to a very red-looking sun. This picture was sent in by Mike Gamble on Sunday morning. And once again, we're seeing a very hazy-looking sunrise across west central Ohio this morning. You can see the haze definitely showing up on the ODOT cameras this morning. Temperatures starting off in those middle 60s. Pretty typical for this time of the year, but we are dry. As we look at the air quality, it's improved a little bit from yesterday evening. We're down to 123, which is in that unhealthy for sensitive group. So we're talking those with asthma, respiratory issues. Limit time outside. Otherwise, normal people, I think you'll be okay. We'll keep an eye on how that index behaves throughout the day today. This should be the last day this week of this really reduced air quality. Improvements are expected once we get into the day tomorrow. Looking at our radar and satellite this morning, you know, outside of the hazy smoke, we would actually see a beautiful blue sky and sunshine, but that smoke is kind of dampening that blue sky across the area this morning. We do have some showers and storms occurring across parts of southern Indiana, southern Illinois. You can see that's not heading our way, but we've got this front stretched here over parts of lower Michigan and Illinois. There's nothing along it right now, but as we get into some of the daytime heating, the atmosphere becomes a little bit more unstable. There will be some pop-up showers and storms likely to fire up along that front once we get into this afternoon. So here's the setup across the region. You notice this cold front approaching today. It's going to stay very humid outside ahead of that front. So it's a humid day, and we'll see some of these pop-up showers. It looks like after 2 p.m. So this morning you're just fine, but after 2 o'clock, we'll keep an eye on some pop-up showers and storms. Not everybody getting rain today. This cold front's going to move through, and it's going to bring in some drier air by tonight. And tomorrow's going to be a really nice day. Tomorrow might be the pick of the week for us. Lower humidity, temperatures a little cooler as well. And we're going to look at dry skies on Tuesday and improvements in that air quality. Not as hazy tomorrow either. We will see more storms and showers across parts of the plain states going down and parts of the lower Ohio Valley there. But a lot of this is going to stay really southwest of here from tomorrow through Wednesday. The main zone of storms kind of sets up from St. Louis to Evansville, Paducah, and not so much across our area. This storm activity is going to ride on the edge of that really hot weather that we're continuing to see across the southwest part of the country, compared to relatively cooler weather across the northeast part of the U.S. So here's our severe weather outlook for today. Again, with the approaching front, we will see some pop-up showers and storms. Looks like 2 p.m. to about 7 p.m. will be the time frame to watch. Spotty wind and hail was a possibility, but again, that's going to be on a very localized basis here. Our Skycast shows dry weather this morning. Temperatures will rise into the low 80s this afternoon. We do know, especially after 2 p.m., we start to see some pop-up showers and storms. Not everybody will see rain today, and I think really our southern half of the area has a better chance than the northern half of the area, so we'll keep that in mind as well. You can see those showers and storms peak out mid to late afternoon, and then the coverage starts to drop as we get further on into the evening hours. I really think after about 8 o'clock, this is pretty well ending, and as we head into tomorrow's forecast, it's going to be a nice day. We will notice a drier air mass building in. You look at the humidity, how it drops from today into tomorrow. So we're looking forward to a Tuesday that's going to bring lower humidity, less of this wildfire haze, so we'll see more sunshine tomorrow, and temperatures really not too bad. That's the theme of this week. Temperatures not too carried away for this time of the year. We know sometimes we can see highs well into the 90s in late July, but we're looking at about 86 as the hottest day. That's going to come Thursday, and then another cold front's going to bring temperatures around 80 with low humidity on Friday and Saturday.